Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Brahmathura Adventures. Today I will take you to Mirik, one of the very beautiful town of hill district of Darjeeling in West Bengal State of India. It is of 4,905 feet height above the sea level and 49 kilometers from Darjeeling in the southwest side and 1.5 hour drive from there. And it is 32 kilometers from Siliguri in the northwest side. This place is full of natural beauties and surrounded by tea estates on every side. We find so many kinds of birds when we drive through the roads to Mirik. We found a lot of whiskered birds, which is called the Yuhina, green-backed pheasant, blue whistling thrush, green magpie, scarlet minivet, and black drogo, rufous, sibia, black-tailed crake, and very interesting and beautiful wild rooster. This town is very beautiful, and there is one lake which is called Mirik Lake or Sumendu Lake. Yeah, that is the Sumendu Lake, and Mirik city gets water from there only. During winter, city become very beautiful, and it become full of flowers in every side, and lot of horse riding and boating take place there. A lot of tourists come there in a small town, which is very beautiful. Though it is not a so big town, yet it is a very beautiful town and a hill station. We can find so many interesting places there. Especially when we drive to Mirik, we find a lot of beautiful hillocks and a lot of beautiful tea gardens, and that is the Mirik town. It is we met some of the local people and had a chat with them. These are the places where the horse riding takes place. We find a lot of beautiful flowers in there, and these are the house of the local people there. We got an opportunity to visit the local people there, and that is house is built with full of wooden, so with the cedar wood. Cedar wood is known to be the very strong wood and very lasting. Yeah, that is made of cedar wood. It is the scenery of the inside of the house. We are sitting there with the host. Yeah, that is the roof of the house, beautifully designed and covered with cedar woods. And that is the small village near Mirik, where we visited the local place there. Yeah, that is very beautiful place we can see over here. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please like it, subscribe my YouTube channel. I promise that I will bring you more and more exciting and adventurous travel videos for you. Thank you.